Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering how ancient Indian concepts are influencing modern civil engineering today. Ancient Indian civilizations were master builders who left behind an impressive legacy of architectural wonders that have withstood the test of time. But what's fascinating is that these ancient engineering principles are not just relics of the past, but are in fact highly relevant to modern civil engineering today. From sustainable design to innovative materials, the secrets of India's ancient engineering are being rediscovered and reinterpreted to shape the built environment of the 21st century. As the global population continues to urbanize, the need for sustainable and resilient infrastructure has never been more pressing. Civil engineers today face the daunting task of designing and building structures that not only meet the needs of a rapidly growing population but also minimize their environmental footprint. This requires a fundamental shift in the way we approach engineering, one that prioritizes innovation, sustainability, and community engagement. It's in this context that the lessons of ancient Indian engineering can provide valuable insights and inspiration. The challenge of achieving sustainability and innovation in civil engineering is further complicated by the need to balance competing demands. On the one hand, there is the imperative to deliver projects on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. On the other hand, there is the need to ensure that these projects are environmentally sustainable, socially responsible, and culturally sensitive. It's a delicate balancing act that requires engineers to be both technically proficient and creatively innovative. One of the key takeaways from ancient Indian engineering is the importance of integrating cultural and environmental considerations into the design process. This holistic approach not only results in more sustainable and resilient structures, but also creates a deeper sense of connection between buildings and the communities they serve. By embracing this philosophy, modern engineers can develop solutions that are not only more effective, but also more beautiful and more meaningful. As we examine the secrets of ancient Indian engineering, we begin to uncover a treasure trove of innovative solutions that were centuries ahead of their time. From the use of advanced materials like concrete and iron, to the development of sophisticated water management systems, ancient Indian engineers were true pioneers in their field. And yet, despite these remarkable achievements, their work remains largely unknown and underappreciated. In ancient India, architectural design was not just about aesthetics, it was about creating structures that were in harmony with the natural environment and the social context in which they existed. This is evident in the intricate carvings, the elegant proportions, and the clever use of natural light and ventilation that characterize many of India's ancient monuments. These design principles are just as relevant today, as modern engineers seek to create buildings that are not only functional but also beautiful and sustainable. One of the most impressive examples of ancient Indian engineering is the stepwell, a marvel of architecture that not only provided access to clean water, but also served as a social hub for the community. With their intricate carvings, complex geometry, and sophisticated water management systems, stepwells are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of ancient Indian engineers. And yet, despite their technical complexity, these structures are also surprisingly elegant and aesthetically pleasing. A true reflection of the Indian obsession with beauty and craftsmanship. The temples of ancient India are another remarkable example of engineering prowess, with their towering spires, delicate carvings, and intricate stonework. These structures are not only feats of technical skill but also masterpieces of design, with every element carefully crafted to create a sense of harmony and balance. As modern engineers, we can learn much from the attention to detail, the respect for materials, and the focus on aesthetics that characterize these ancient structures. In many ways, the stepwells and temples of ancient India are the precursors to the modern marvels of engineering that we see today. From the Burj Khalifa to the Golden Gate Bridge, modern engineering has achieved wonders that were unimaginable just a century ago. And yet, as we push the boundaries of what is possible, we should never forget the debt we owe to the ancient engineers who paved the way for us. In conclusion, ancient Indian concepts are not just relics of the past, but are living, breathing influences on modern civil engineering today. From sustainable design to innovative materials, The secrets of India's ancient engineering are being rediscovered and reinterpreted to shape the built environment of the 21st century. Join me next time as we explore more of the fascinating world of engineering and architecture. Don't forget to share your favorite ancient engineering marvel in the comments below. And if you liked this video, be sure to check out our other videos on engineering and architecture.